It's Adam and I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do a little bit of a warm, smoky vibe. So check this out. Taking this brush at the end with no extra shadow on it, and I'm just blending the edges of what I've created just to kind of soften everything up a little bit. This is the gold again. McGrath. This is Dolce and Gabbana foundation in Glouriouskin. Now this is it's a rich foundation. It's got a lot of weight to it, so use it sparingly. But this is a great full coverage, and the color is really pretty. And then I'm gonna use a brush to just blend in because I painted it on a little bit. Just push it, tap it in. It helps even out the foundation, not make it look too heavy. Fenty and Amber. One trick that I learned lately is to take that contour, instead of blending it down, just blend it up. It's true that the matchstick this color is kind of it has very little warmth. It's kind of a grayish tan, but then you add warmth once you add powder and stuff. So think about that. This is just to create shadow. This is Makeup Forever HD powder. But notice I didn't powder right around the eye because we want that to kind of stay sort of dewy. I'm using a different powder. This is Pat McGrath's under eye powder. It's a little bit lighter and I think it blurs the skin a bit better. Focus sort of on the inside of the cheek. We're going to take our Pat McGrath highlighter in Nude This product blends really easily. It has like, it's not too greasy. It's got like a sort of a powdery finish. It's really easy to work with. I love it. Again, with the highlight, keep it really high. Don't go too low with it. It gives you a look of higher cheekbones. And this is Dolce and Gabbana blush in peach. Just a little bit for me. I don't like to be too pinky on the cheek, but just to give a little bit of color back in. And I do it in between the highlight and the contour. And also for me, I have a pretty full face, so again, I don't go too far into here. I just keep it just on the upper outside corner, just for color. And you can take a little bit of what's left on the brush and just kind of, just a little bit. And then lastly, I like to add a little bit of bronzer to that. Summer, you know. This is NARS Laguna, which as you can tell, I really like. I'm putting that a little below, kind of over on top of the contour stick that I did. Don't forget to add a little bronzer under your neck, maybe your ear if it shows. Sometimes if I'm going for a more extreme look, I'll even take a little bit of this Hoola bronzing powder from Benefit. And this color is matte and it's a little more similar to that stick. And I'll just do like a little extra right here. And since this is a bit of a more full-on high glam look, you can even layer powder on top of the highlighter. I like to use something like a fan brush, really lightweight. And the one that I love is this Becca highlighter. It's really awesome, the color. It's opal, kind of a champagne color. Take the fan brush, and I'm really just doing it like right at the very top. I'm not going too far down because this will concentrate the highlight like that. Just push it back, just so you get that really nice halo effect around the outside of the eye. Now everybody's face shape is different. My face shape, I want to kind of pull up and out. Some people are going to want to do a rounder look, you know, it depends on the shape of your face. You can even put a little on your finger and just add a little extra under your brow to kind of connect it. I'm taking Dolce & Gabbana. This is blush and creamy lip color in Tender. It's cream. A little bit, like I just want my lips to not look, you know, weird colored. So I just take a dab. Once you have that all that makeup on, a bare lip is kind of, I mean, if I'm really going for a glam look, I would say put some lip gloss on. And this is Pat McGrath in Lust. This is probably more of a night look, but I wanted to show you guys. I take a little beard oil from Tom Ford, which smells really nice. Not only does this help pull off some of the makeup off of the hair, but adds a nice little sheen. I'm gonna take a little mascara, Pat McGrath, Fetish Eyes. I'm taking my Makeup Forever brow gel, which I love. I did already do the shadow on there, but it just kind of helps deepen them a little bit, put them into place. This is a tinted brow gel. It's like a dark, it's like a brown. Sometimes for extra grooming, I'll do a little bit of this over the top of my beard, just to kind of get the edges a little bit more defined. This is very sheer. It's really subtle, which I like. Cover up any gray hairs with this as well, which is great. I'm using the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. It's just super glittery. It's really easy to use glitter and not have it fall all over your face when you want to use it at the very end. Take a little bit and I just kind of like dab it at the inner corner just a little bit. I mean, loose glitter is definitely the way to go if you want to do like a real full-on look, but just for a little dab at the end, I think this is just so easy. And I like doing it on the inner corner because it just kind of helps open up the eye a little bit. A little bit under in the inner corner, a little bit on the inside. See how that grabs the light? I'll show you in better light.